Kids will love decorating and using this Lego Dots 41,915 Jewelry Box Kit. Made to be an easy, intuitive creation, this DIY bedroom accessory set offers kids the chance to create their own cute jewelry holder and then change it to suit their mood or room decor. Cleanup and organization are also a breeze thanks to the enclosed storage and sorting tray. Personalized DIY jewelry box. The jewelry box toy features movable separators to hold jewelry or any of the Lego Dots wearables. It also has a lock to keep secrets safe and tiles for decoration so kids can use their best creative and self-expression skills to make the toy uniquely theirs. Put the fun in functional arts and crafts. The joy of this set lies in letting kids be imaginative. They can decorate the jewelry box however they like, then put it to use in their room. They can show off their best designs again and again, because anything goes with Lego Dots sets. These toy sets make great gifts for Christmas, birthdays, or any time. Lego 41,914 Dots Creative Picture Frames DIY Tiles Beads Set, Room Decorations, Arts and Crafts for Kids. Treat kids to a cool toy with this DIY Lego Registered Dots Creative Picture Frames Set, 41,914. Designed to be easily assembled and customizable, this DIY photo frame set offers kids the chance to create their own room decor and change it to fit their room colors or mood. Cleanup and organization are a breeze thanks to the enclosed storage and sorting tray. 14 Dots Creative Picture Frames DIY Tiles Beads Set, Room Decorations, Arts and Crafts for Kids. Treat kids to a cool toy with this DIY Lego Registered Dots Creative Picture Frames Set, 41,914. Designed to be easily assembled and customizable, this DIY photo frame set offers kids the chance to create their own room decor and change it to fit their room colors or mood. Cleanup and organization are a breeze thanks to the enclosed storage and sorting tray. Lego 41,000 2020 Lego 41,913 Dots Bracelet Mega Pack Beads Jewellery Set of 5 with Surprise Charms, BFF Gifts Arts and Crafts for Kids. Kids who like sharing creative art projects with their friends will love this custom Lego Dots 41,913 Bracelet Mega Pack Friendship Toy. Made to be an easy, intuitive craft project, this DIY bracelet set lets kids design their own jewelry with their friends and redesign them any way they like. Customizable friendship bracelets. This bracelet making mega pack kit features 5 adjustable, flexible bands in different colors that fit bigger and smaller wrists. The set has 295 assorted tiles, including special decorated tiles and the possibility of finding a super rare, 5 hearts decorated tile. The set comes in a tray with dividers to sort and store the tiles. Designable, shareable fun for kids who love being creative. The joy of this art set lies in the opportunity for kids to share it with friends and then decorate the bracelets however they like. They can mix and match with their friends' designs and make them uniquely theirs. This set make a great 2020 Lego 41,907 Dots Desk Organizer DIY Arts and Crafts for Kids, Room Decorations and Desk Accessories Projects appeal to arts and crafts lovers with this cool Lego Dots 41,907 Desk Organizer Set. Made to be quickly and easily assembled, this DIY toy offers kids the chance to create and decorate their own desk organizer with working drawer, then redesign the pattern over and over. Cleanup and sorting are a breeze thanks to the enclosed storage tray. Useful, creative organizer set. This pretty set features a multicolored desk organizer with 2 sections to hold pencils, paper clips or other office supplies, an opening drawer with a white handle to hold precious items in a photo holder, plus colorful tiles to stretch kids' imaginations and self-expressive play skills while making the desk organizer uniquely theirs. Creative play for kids who love arts and crafts. The joy of this toy is the chance for kids to be imaginative and decorate the desk organizer however they like, to match their mood or their room or share their designs with friends. It makes a great gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any time. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. If you want to see more videos from Most Gifted, then please subscribe and ring the bell, so you do not miss any new video in the future.